Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to share large files with quick share on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So do you need to send big files or do you need to send multiple files? You can basically use Samsung's quick share option. So this quick share option basically gives you 10 gig per day free of charge. So you don't need to use Google Drive or maybe let's say Dropbox. You can go ahead and use Samsung's cloud storage to store all your data for people to download. So let's just say, for example, you want to send some images off to someone. However, they're very large files. So in order to do this, you can basically use quick share. So it doesn't matter if that person has a Samsung phone or not. The person can visit the link and basically download all the files that you've shared. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and long press and we'll go ahead and select all the files that you want to send. So for example, here. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on share, and then you want to go ahead and tap on quick share at the bottom. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on QR code or link, and then you can go ahead and copy this URL, and now go ahead and paste it anywhere you like. So now you can go ahead and paste this in WhatsApp, and whoever has this link will be able to download this file. So in the background, as you can see, it basically uploads everything, and it basically expires in 2 days and 10 hours. Or the other person has 2 days and 10 hours to download that file, and they'll be able to receive that in high quality. So this is for faster and more convenient way than email or cloud uploads. So it's especially for photos, videos, or documents or any presentation. No third-party app is required. Everything is all on your phone. So there you go, guys. That is how to share large files with quick share on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.